Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Every month I do my BOXY video. Almost everything I'm wearing on my face is from a January box. If you guys want to see what I received in my box this month, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so today I'm here with my BOXY. This is the January BOXY. I just got it yesterday, so I was like, yay, I'm so excited. And I feel like they're definitely stepping up their game from their December BOXY. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link it up here so you guys can watch that. But their December BOXY like wasn't as great as I thought it would be. So I'm super happy that for January that they put in some awesome products for the box. This box is called Rock 2018. The first product in the box is this Dr. Brand Pores No More Luminizing Primer. And this primer retails for $38. I don't know if you guys have seen my BOXY in the past, but if you have, I have received the face exfoliator, which I use in the shower like almost twice a week. I really love it. It's been actually one of my favorite products. It'll probably be mentioned in my favorites for 2017 when I eventually do that. Yeah, I guess they have a primer and it's illuminating, which is great because right now my skin needs some vitamin D. I am super sick of New England weather like always. We just had snow yesterday. Yeah, we just had snow yesterday, and like 2 days before that it was 60 degrees. So I just like can't keep up with this weather. I actually used the Dr. Brand exfoliator in the shower, and I toned my face with witch hazel, which is one of my other favorite things that I've been using for my face. And of course I went through with my moisturizer, which I'm almost out of, so I'm really sad about that. But this is the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. I'm just gonna go in with this primer. So I'm taking like this amount first. It looks like a tinted primer. It seems pretty thick. The texture kind of reminds me of the Benefit primer. Which one is that? The poreless one? It also smells like it might have like SPF in it or something. Oh, it says you can apply on clean, moisturized skin, but it says you can use alone for a natural bounce of light on the skin or under makeup to prep your skin for a flawless application AM to PM. Also see some sparkles in it. I guess that's the illuminating part. I'll leave an update on how I feel about this primer in the description box. I'm going to wear it for the next couple days, so by the time this video is uploaded I will have a little bit of knowledge as to how I feel about it. So the next product that I received in my January BOXY was the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil, and this brow pencil retails for $24. If you guys haven't looked into IT Cosmetics, you definitely should. They're a great brand. I really like them. But yeah, they sent the brow pencil and they sent the universal taupes. This is it. So it comes with the little roll-up pencil on one side, and the other side has a spoolie. I really like the packaging. Also, don't mind my hair. I'm gonna do it at the end of this video. I recently just got bangs, and it's hard to do my makeup when my bangs are down, so I'm gonna leave them up and then I'll do them after. So this brow pencil is very buildable, so you can start, if you only need a little bit of filling in, you can start lightly, but I obviously don't have that much brow to work with, so I do fill in my brows a little bit heavier than normal people with nice brows would. Alright, so I think I'm done with that brow pencil. I have to say, I really do like it. How it's buildable is amazing. I love how it comes with a spoolie. That's an A+ for me. Alright, so now I'm going to move on and I'm just going to apply my foundation and my concealer, and I will be right back. I have to say that I really love that primer. It makes my skin look very hydrated. I really do have dry skin, so I love anything that helps hydrate my skin. So far I really do like it. So we're going to go through with the rest of the things in the box. Next thing I'm going to use is this The Complexion Authority Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette, and this palette retails for $34. So it has a nice little mirror on the inside, but these are the three powders, and I have to say that they are like gorgeous. So yeah, this is definitely a bronzer, the highlighter, and then the blush, so I'm going to use all three, and I'm going to go through and start by using the bronzer. I'm just going to take a little bit and start applying that to my cheek. I feel like this will be a great palette for when the weather gets nicer, when the sun starts coming out, so you can give yourself like a sun-kissed glow. Coming up, I'm going to apply some on my forehead. I know it doesn't matter because I'm going to pull down my bangs for the video. Why not? I'm gonna take some down my neck too. And I always just pop some on the tip of my nose. And now I'm gonna go through with the blush. Oh, and it has the names of each of them. The Blushing Glow, this is the Afterglow, and then this is the Mineral Glow. So I'm just go through and use this blush on my BH Cosmetics blush brush, which I use all the time. I'm gonna take this little plastic cover now so I can actually see what I'm doing. Oh, much better. Hey, how you doing, honey? Gives off an illuminating glow. I can definitely see it right now, but you can't really see it on camera. It's definitely here, guys. It's definitely here. Maybe it's because I have like a million lights going at one time that it's just like, gonna wash you out, Emmy. Gonna wash you out. Make you more vampire-like. Pretty, pretty. So pretty. I just want to drown in this blush. It makes me feel like the nice weather's coming. It gives me some hope. I'm gonna take this little Morphe brush. And I'm just going to, I might as well just start on my nose. That's a really pretty highlight. It gives like a nice glow. It's not chunky or anything. It seems like it would be a really nice and buildable highlight if you wanted it to be. I feel like a little supermodel, especially my hair. Guys, would you wear your hair like this out in public? Because I do sometimes. Shining bright like a diamond today. It looks like it's a beautiful day out, like the sun is out. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more blush, honestly. It doesn't look like it's showing up on the camera, but I'm telling you guys, there's a lot of blush on my face right now, okay? There's a lot. I definitely like this. I think it's gonna be great for summer. I'm super excited to wear it more. The highlight shade is perfect. The blush is perfect. The bronzer is alright. I will see, maybe in the summer I'll like it more because it does have a lot of glitter flecks in it. Next thing that I received in my box was this Crown Pro Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. And this eyeshadow palette retails for $25. This highly pigmented, ultra blendable shadows make smoky eyes look like a breeze. This is what the palette looks like. So it has a cute like little guitar right here, little guitar mirror. They look all shimmery. This one looks like the only matte, and it doesn't have a transition shade. So as you can see, they're all shimmery except this one right here. I'm just gonna take one of my shades from my contour kit. I know it's nasty, that I would use to contour with as a transition shade. And I'm going to take the shade called The Wicked, and I'm going to pop that in my outer half. It's not that pigmented, I've noticed, so you would definitely have to like stick your brush into it to get some pigment out of it. I'm not liking this color. I don't know why I chose this. It's like hard to blend. How this is kind of like a muted like burgundy. It's definitely ashier than I thought it was going to be. I'm going to go through and I'm going to take this color Pop Rock on my finger and just put that on my lid. I will have to say this is not one of my favorite palettes I've gotten from BoxyCharm, but I definitely think it will be a fun palette to play with in the future. And I think after that I'm going to take some of the shade called Rock On and I'm going to pop that on top of that. But yeah, that gives it a little bit more pizzazz. I love this shade on my lower lash line. It's nice and dark and vampy. It's going to take the highlight shade from this palette and a little brush and pop it on my inner corner. So I'm gonna go through it and I'm gonna take my Marc Jacobs little black eyeliner, just put that in my waterline and my tight line. I love applying highlight right after I apply setting spray because I feel like it just grabs onto the face so much better. Alright, so the last thing that I received in my January BoxyCharm is this Galactic Matte Lip Paint. This lip paint retails for $23. It is in the shade 2 More. And it looks like this. And it smells like cake, which is actually really, it's making me really hungry. Guys, I literally just applied this with only one dip from the wand. Basically just taking it out. And I even scraped some off. And the formula is just like super, super soft. It reminds me a lot of Ovra Cosmetics liquid lipstick. Oh my god, guys. My boyfriend's gonna love this because he hates when I wear lipstick. And I'm actually excited to see how long it lasts throughout the day and how many times I have to apply it. Alright guys, so I applied my mascara. I just wanted to let you guys know what the total of the box for January was. The Dr. Brand primer was $38. The It Cosmetics brow pencil was $24. The Crown Pro Glam Metals palette was $25. The Pure Complexion Bronze and Brighten Cheek palette was $34. And then the Galactic Matte Lip Paint was $23. So altogether, my box for January cost $144. Because like I said, in every BoxyCharm video, you only pay $22 and change to get it delivered to your door, and you get all these full-size products that you get to try out, all these different brands that you don't normally look for, all these different products you wouldn't normally try, or all of the products that you love. They just do such a good job, and I'm really happy that they did a great job with the January box. So I just wanted to say thank you guys for being here and watching this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe. Also, thank you guys for being here. I hope you guys are having a great new year, and I will see you guys next time.